Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to pair this Bluetooth earphone to your Tecno phone, so guys you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth earphones. So when first of all open your phone setting to pair this earphone, then guys scroll it. As you can see more connections, so guys tap here and guys click on Bluetooth and guys on your earphones. Guys on your Bluetooth setting with refresh, then guys you can see your earphone name. So guys, as my earphone name is Ubon, so guys click on your earphone name, then you can see it's pairing. Then guys you can see this pair notification, so guys tap here and it will pair in your phone. Then guys you can use it your earphone. So guys earphone will pair in our Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair earphones to our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.